Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a small haul. So I went out today, just kind of casual shopping, window shopping. If I find something, I'll buy it. If not, no biggie. Anyway, so I went over to Michael's and they had these, ooh, goodness, pencil cases here. Sorry about that glare. Had these pencil cases, and this is going to be my main color in my craft room when I get it all together. And so I really like this box, and it's got a good snap on it, and it was only 99 cents. So I said I can use that. So I got the last three that they had in that color, and then also I went to Dollar Tree, and I had bought some of these last week or a week ago, and they had gotten some more in, and so I picked some more of these up, and they're a nice size, and so I got that kind and this kind, and then the last time I was over there, I got another kind, but I didn't do the haul video on those. So those were from Dollar Tree, and then over at Hobby Lobby, I found over in their like sewing department, they had these boxes here, and this is the size of this box here, and it was 74 cents. And so I got it because it has that green in there. And so I thought it would break up some of the green that I'll have in there. And then they had this one, craftiness is happiness. Yes, it is. And so the little lady has that green on, and then it also brings some of the greens and pinks in here. And I do have some things that are pink too. So I thought that was good, and it was $1.49. Okay, and then I've been looking, hoping to pass up a cozy, and they had these little cozies on clearance too for 62 cents. So I was able to get two of those, and then there goes the other one. So I was so happy to finally find some cozies, and I might even go back out and pick up a couple more of those. And then I know I had seen everybody using snaps, and wasn't for sure if I wanted to get into the snap thing here. But look at what was on clearance. You see that price there? $5.49. And so I thought I would go ahead and pick up this just in case I might want to use it, or make something to put some snaps on. It came with this extra little punch there, and this extra bottom that goes there, as well as an extra piece that goes, I want to say right here. So I did watch a video, and it seemed pretty simple to use, so I picked up that. So that was the find of the day. But I thought I would come on and share that with you. So if you have the time, run over to their sewing department because they have some clearance going on over there. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.